In an ecosystem fed by cold water springing from a toxic soil, leafy fangs, dripping with nectar, have attracted the attention of scientists and insects alike. Plant brutality. A fly lands on a nectar-laden leaf and begins to feast, unaware that she sits on the vegetative tongue of a cobra lily. The banquet lures its prey deeper into the cobra's mouth and into its throat. This throat is illumined by a ceiling stippled with spots of sunshine, each a potential exit. When satiated, she flies to the nearest window and finds it sealed. The next she tries is the same, as is the next, and the next. She panics as she rages against one false fenestration after another, exhausting herself in wandering the cobra lily's confusing maze, where there is but one true passage that leads to a perilous plunge to the murky center. She claws at the walls to arrest her fall, but finds only protruding spikes that force her further downward until, splash! The fly has reached the center of the maze, the belly of the lily. Here, microbial minotaurs shred their prey at the molecular level by ripping their very proteins into smaller chemical chunks that the lily can digest. The larger chunks of prey are torn apart by mightier minotaurs and passed back to their bacterial assistants. After the fly is digested, its nutrients are secreted to attract the next insect. Like in the labyrinth of Greek lore, the cobra lily does the work of Daedalus by crafting its own maze, the work of Pasiphae by culturing its own minotaurs, and of King Minos by attracting its own prey. But do the nectar-dripping fangs of the cobra lily help it to attract and swallow prey? Or is it a donation to the insect community in the hopes that they, like King Minos, will turn a blind eye when a few of their own venture past the offering and into the Minotaur-y maze? Plant brutality is the product of the morbid musings of wet plant scientists and students alike. If you'd like to hear more stories about the savage side of plants and support future student research and animation, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.